How's it? Gavin Ace here from the old Parakao store, and this week we're going to do a video on our 28 Chev. We've done a bit of work to it, not too much more than from the drive shaft, but someone keeps forgetting to turn the camera on, and then we've had a whole lot of other interferences, so I'm making a video on the 28 and all the other interferences we've had in the last about 2 or 3 thirsty Thursdays. So, and I'll flip this around and I'll show you what we've been up to. So we've made up our front engine mount, tacked it in there. We've got to tidy all that up. We've set the cab back on it, and we've welded up our rear engine mounts down there. We've set the cab back in, it fits in. We're going to have to ease it against the firewall there a bit. But the motor's pretty much solid mounted anyway, so I don't think it's going to be a big issue. And we just got to set up our brake and clutch, shift the handbrake over, so we're not too far away. On a bit more shed, so we've got 4 more bays, but seem to have used it all up already, and now it's that congested in here I can't even move.
To bring it back, okay?
Well,
We're going to pave the courtyard, so we moved the old truck out from here so we can get ready for pavers. We've got the pavers up here, and that's going to happen soon too, but we need to get the hoist working because I've got to rip all the front out of the old Chevy and replace the radiator and trans lines because she overheated on the way back from Auckland. So plus I had a mate Bob ring up the other day and said come have a look at this car, Gav. I don't want it. Just take it. I've got nowhere to store it. Doesn't owe me a lot. You can have it. So we thought we'd better go and have a look. And it's an old Vauxhall V-Lox 6-cylinder English. Bit of rust in it here and there. Not too bad a nick. A little bit more. Yep. Out anyway. Geez, I like that. make brim brim noises. Actually, what's reverse? Should we jump it? I think the brakes would have to shut your door.
Should be a 3-speed,
Yeah, I think so.
or reverse must be up there.
Yeah. Oh well, we'll try to jump her on the way into the shed. So if you go backwards like that when we get off the ramps.
Yeah.
Do the brakes work? Oh fucking hell! Go. Look at that. Are you pushing?
Yeah. Like that.
Yep. Then we went down to mate's place, Craig, down the road, and he started up his old pulley for us, one of them. We thought we'd move our hammer, so he kindly came up with his tractor and we moved the hammer out of the way so we can fit the rat rod in here. What? Oh, that could happen. Trouble is, the fork's going to go through the shed.
Well, that's why we should have left.
Yeah. No, well, that's all right.
Like, we might be able to push that in.
No, we should put it down,
Get it right on the tip of the fork.
yeah, and go over this chain with the first one and the other one with the other.
I reckon just go on the tip of that fork. Back some more, mate.
That should do it, eh?
Just like that, man.
Yeah. Just got to watch my power cable down there.
So I'm gathering it's not very deep. You want it in that way
Yeah.
more?
No, just keep going.
Yeah, mate.
Not squashing it. That's just the thing wire anyway. Oh, you fucker. Yeah. Rob. Oh, yeah, that's it.
All right, eh?
Yeah. Perfect. So while we were there, he was retiring and had to get out of his workshop. So he had a hoist. So we bought the hoist, 4-tonner, 2-post, and a press, and gearbox stand. A deal we couldn't refuse. So that's going to make a great addition to the workshop. So we decided on Thursday, instead of carrying on with the old 28, we'll try to get this going. Well, it's Thursday. We should be working on the 28, but we got a hoist, so we're going to try and put that up. Matt's come to visit from Auckland. Ross is working hard. We're all just standing around watching him.
Yeah, boy.
Did you say fuck, Ross?
Hey? No, I did not say that language. I said it fits.
Oh, right.
Someone measured it right.
Alright, now we need to get this exactly where it's got to go. With our centre line down the bottom here.
That's good. We're going to do these up, mate?
No, we're going to take them off again. Finger tight will be right. So we've got a centre line down there. I think you can see that. And then we're going to move that to our centre line and our line with the wall on the other side.
Do, oh no, it's only 10 mils, not even that really.
At least we remembered to turn the video on today. That's always a bonus.
At least it's far enough away that
Can't hear Ross swearing. Go on, say it, Ross. Fuck off! Beautiful. That should hold the top. Nice night out here. Trying to get this hoist sorted out. Made our brackets up. And we're just gonna try and hook all the mechanics up. So that's about where we're up to. We've got plenty to do around here. If you're liking the videos, like, share and subscribe. Take it easy, mate. Cheers.